So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe on oilless okra soup in its most natural form. I honestly think chopped okra is better than grated okra. It is vegetable, so it should be visible enough in your soup, just like other veggies. So the first thing is to properly wash the okras with clean water and then gradually chop them to desirable sizes. I started by putting my meat and fish in the cooking pot. Added just a little amount of water and then added 2 average-sized chopped onion balls. I am carefully stirring it in to prevent the fish from breaking into tiny pieces. Now I'm adding some prawn and some crayfish. Adding some chopped pepper. And some chopped tomatoes. Still trying to be careful with the fish. I'm adding my chopped okra. This is a perfect size for me. Not so big and not so tiny. Now, I'm adding 5 Maggi cubes to taste and some pumpkin leaves. You can see the small amount of water I used in preparing this soup. The okra doesn't need to be soaked in water, so it wouldn't be overcooked. I'm gently stirring all ingredients together. I'm adding salt to taste. At this point, my soup is literally ready. I'm just gonna let it cook for 1 more minute. Taste for salt and other ingredients and your oilless okra soup is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've subscribed to get more amazing videos and recipes. And if you haven't seen my previous video on Happy production, what exactly are you waiting for? Go check it out.